All right, Green Thumb Gardening Channel, just a update on the Brussels sprouts that we popped into our fall garden here a few days ago. As I raise this camera to take you guys down in between these two rows, you're going to see that our Brussels sprouts are indeed looking fantastic in these two rows here. Next to our Alabama blue collard greens that we just harvested about 3, maybe 4 days ago. And as you can see, the leaves are once again huge already. We've been getting a lot of rain out here over the past several days, and it's doing our fall garden a lot of good out here in our area. For those of you who just joining our channel, we're growing here in Grow Zone 8B. We have more Brussels sprouts here. They're looking fantastic. We got more Brussels sprouts here, all the way down to the end of this row down here. Next up, we have our purple top turnip greens, Green Thumb Gardening family, and as you guys can see, we have some gigantic leaves on our turnip green plants out here. We also have some mighty fine looking roots developing beneath our plants as well down here. These leaves are far past harvestable stage. We want to let our roots get a little bigger, so what we'll probably do is harvest some of these leaves out here today. We'll leave the smaller leaves, such as these, in the center to grow back out, and we'll just harvest these big leaves. You can see we have pretty substantial size roots in these turnip greens already here in our fall garden. We have one long row of these purple top turnip greens growing here, all the way down to where you see that hose down there. Next to our purple top turnips, we have one long row of rutabagas. As you can see, they are indeed as well looking fantastic. We've been out here this morning completing the task of chopping up all these weeds in between our rows. We'll rake all this debris up in between our rows sometime tomorrow. And on this end down here, this last row, we have big leaf mustard greens. Aren't they looking lovely here in this fourth row here, next to our G90 sweet corn? Big leaf mustards are indeed looking fantastic as well. See those gigantic leaves on these plants? We're super excited to see that. I'm experiencing some cooler temperature here and rain. And if you guys know, rain and cool temperatures make brassicas very, very, very happy. Again, just an update on our fall garden. Down on that far end, down there where that sprinkler is, you guys see 4 more rows down there. These rows down here, we have our broccoli and our collard greens. We're growing some Georgia collards here in these 2 rows here, and we're growing some broccoli in these 2 rows here. Thanks for watching Green Thumb Gardening family, and if indeed you do currently find yourself watching this video on exactly what it is that we currently have growing in our fall garden, and not already subscribe to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing brassicas in our fall garden. Don't they look fantastic?